Hi guys, I will show you this mode called Lightning Road. Okay, you can download it in mode for Minecraft VE. Okay, first you need to do this command: road.
Guys,
Okay, I have Herobrine skin. I'm Herobrine. No. I'm Herobrine. I am the mighty Brine because I have a Herobrine. I'm so pro, right? Okay, let's start. Oh, ouch. Yeah. See? Rain started.
what?
No! Okay, fake fail. Okay, I'm back. Lol. Okay. Let's do again. Road. You can be Herobrine with this item.
Sino hinahangal mo? Sino hangal?
Oh!
Kaun
The
ko
pig become pigman.
Konektuhin mo kaya. Konektuhin mo.
Come here. Herobrine is here. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do it. Find some pigs. Road.
Hey guys. Still.
Spawn eggs. Add item. Add item. Cow. Let's try cow. Lol.
Ay! Ay!
Oh.
Herobrine mode na nga lang ako.
Okay guys. Oh! Lol, good one. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more mode showcase. Goodbye. Bye guys.
What would